Ever had a few clothes to wash and suddenly there's no power? And honestly, hand washing delicate clothes every day gets tiring. This cordless mini washer is portable, wireless, and gives you up to 15 washes on a single charge. With a quick 5-minute wash, it's perfect for underwear, socks, and baby clothes. And for more convenience, we also have a mini washer with a built-in spin dryer for quicker drying. Small, smart, and made for busy everyday living. You can shop for this on our website or in store.